birds to play around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines.
Graceful!
And here comes Speed. They locally known as Lawin or Banong in the
Lawin!
region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons
Wow!
meaning they'll never return to its nest and needs. How about our applause for raptors and our homing pigeons?
Ang dami lumilipad!
Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We are not trying to become our friends in the sea, but also in the land. Now guys, who knows the trios? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good, let's love the bird. And they're working
Wala,
for us
saan itutok
how
ang camera ko?
is disposal.
It's a magic number.
Wow!
3 times 6 is and the 8 in alphabet.
Wow!
Got 3 arms. We're gonna talk about it. Got to reduce, reuse, recycle.
Oh, buti pa yung bird. Marunong
Reduce, reuse,
magtapon ng basura.
reuse, recycle.
See, if our loved birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and